Welcome back to my channel, Rowe Beauties. The backstory on this is I was driving down the street and then I seen a cow and I tried to swerve over, but I hit him. And then I was drinking a drink and then it went into my face, so I'm now pieced up like this. I figured my eyebrows would be an important part of this look because the one eye being covered, so I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in dark brown on my eyebrows and then the concealer in cool tan so they'd be vibrant and pop. The only eyeshadow palette I will be using will be from the Crayon Case, the box of crayons. It is so beautiful. I love it. Oh man, yeah, it looks so good. So I start off with the blue and then I pack on top of that the green. Up next is the yellow. Woo, look at that. Stinging like a bee. Yellow like a bumblebee. So pretty. Now I'm doing the infamous cutting of the crease so I can have it beautiful and vibrant as well. I use the shade Cool Tan in LA Girl Pro Concealer. It is bright enough so it'll be popping. Now I'm going in with the shades. Again, the blue starting off with. I was thinking about putting a yellow right there, but I said, nah, I'm going to change it up. Put the green right next to it. Beautiful. That green going to just build it up, honey. Yes. You see it coming out. Do you want a Sprite? Oh, yeah. Yellow is so beautiful. I love how much it shows up. So now I'm using the yellow. Packing that baby in. Go off. Yes, yellow. Go off. Yellow. Go off. Eyeliner is in Darkest Black by Maybelline. It is called the Precise Liner, and it is beautiful too. I love how good you can just get in with your liner and, you know, perfect it as pointy as you want it. As short as you want it, pointy as you want it, long as you want it, whatever. It's nice. I wanted to get it really dramatic, so I kept on getting it out there. Kept getting it at an angle. After doing my concealer, I am now using the setting powder to set my face. Wait, I don't want to be dead. I don't want to be dead yet. I do not want to be dead yet, so I'm going to switch this up. Planned to be dead since I was in a wreck, but I changed it up and was like, no, I need my color. I need my color back. Give me some life, honey. They're trying a lot of different methods like a band-aid and some other stuff. Then I just decided on doing the liquid latex straight off my face with toilet paper. So that is what you're about to see. Ooh, your girl feeling accomplished. Look at me. Look at me. This heart is for you, Rowe Beauties. I love y'all. Yes. Now I'm adding foundation onto the toilet paper to blend in more with my skin tone. Blood, blood. Oh, no! My pants! My pants! I'm bloody, baby. That was an accident. That was definitely... My pants! Oh my god! No, it looks like real blood! Look at at my pants. Look at that. Look at that. I am so wild. Yeah, I know, baby. As long as it ain't on the floor. Oh no, it's on the floor. Oh no, it's still dripping. Ah! Woo! I'm bloody. Sorry, buddy. I know I'm dramatic. Hold on. I am so wild. This was an accident, Lord. Blood, stop dripping. Oh, it's still dripping. How do people do this? Okay, this is my first time doing blood, and yeah, I look crazy. Really? And I got it all over my floor. Lord, really? How the heck do I get blood out the floor? I'm gonna do the summer bundle and do a red, the boss. Oops. I got blood all over the floor. It's everywhere. I'm a bloody girl. Bloody girl. Bloody girl. Bloody girl. I was walking down the street. No, wait. I was driving down the street and I seen a cow. And I pulled over, but it was going too fast, so I hit it. And then I got in a wreck because I was drinking my Sprite. And it went into my face like bow. It went into my face like bow, bow, bow. Alright, I'm going to get into my Hello 21 Kylie Jenner bundle and use a lipstick. This is the Kylie Jenner lipstick in shade Rumor. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, that's basically my backstory. Basically, got into a wreck, was drinking a Sprite, the Sprite went pew, and then now I'm like this, and bloody. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure that you subscribe. You can come and follow me on Facebook where I do all my makeup, and that is Beauty by Rowe. Got a lot of things coming up, so y'all make sure you stay tuned, like the video, comment below on anything else you have in mind that I can do for this Halloween. Love y'all. Thank you.